This video is introduction to our ethics video series that will begin after this. Herein we will discuss some important aspect about GS4 and a few strategies about GS4. First thing that we want to discuss is that things that every aspirant, be it beginner or non-beginner, has to do if not done already. First point is memorize the syllabus. Second is prepare example on syllabus keyword. Prepare definition on syllabus keyword. Contemplate where all you can use diagrams and flowchart and prepare them. So we will discuss the relevance of memorizing syllabus here. It is advised that while writing your answer you use syllabus keywords as often you can, but then while writing answers to access these keywords will become only easy when you have memorized the entire syllabus. So we recommend to memorize the syllabus. Second is prepare example on syllabus keywords. See, after preparing for certain amount of time for civil services, I think you will have knowledge and you will develop an ability that you can effectively elaborate on idea that are given in GS4. So that would not be an issue. But what becomes challenge is to appropriately substantiate a particular idea. That's where the distinction between a good answer and average answer comes. That's where these examples are something that can hold the attention of examiner. It can add value to your answer. It will help substantiating your idea. It will not make you sound like you only just have done bol bachan and you do not know in depth, or you do not have actual knowledge. You do not, so those things can be eliminated if you effectively use example. We will discuss about it in the later section of video. Next is definition of syllabus keywords. See, the relevance of preparing definitions is because in certain questions you can directly begin with the definitions. What happens when you begin writing answer to a question, you have a inertia for certain after you have understood the question, you feel inertia to write, like what, from where to begin. If you have already prepared definitions, you can directly start writing and you can save that time, because ultimately when you're going to write full length syllabus test series for GS4, you will find that managing time becomes a big issue. So preparing definitions and examples will help you to attempt maximum question and help you managing time. About diagrams and flowchart, you can prepare diagrams and flowchart, help you to put your content effectively, make your presentation better, and distinguishes your answer, brings diversity. Not all your answer look similar, so that way again the examiner it can hold the attention of examiner. So these are the things that we want you to discuss moving forward. See, here it is. Here we have given a sample list of definitions. We have given a complete list of definition on our Telegram channel. If you want to download that PDF, you can go to our Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video, and you can download. These are the lists of definitions. You can copy them as it is. We have done a lot of effort to prepare them. You can prepare your own definitions, as well as you can prepare own definitions and taking idea from this, or supplementing with this. So anything will work for you. Next is about preparing the examples. See, you will notice that examples here mentioned are as per syllabus keywords. Entire list of examples is available again on our Telegram channel, and link is in the description. So for all the keywords we have given examples, and because of paucity of time and length of the video, we have mentioned only few. You can pause them and read. For example, on compassion we have talked about, you can talk about Mother Teresa, Florence Nightingale. In fact, we would recommend, even if you do not copy these examples, you go and read about because these are very prominent examples that we have mentioned here. After reading you will notice, so you can go and directly read about these people and prepare your own example, and you can relate with different keyword. So that is the idea about examples. So here are one person making big difference, example on that, devotion to duty. So these are good examples, you can note them. Moving ahead, and I would like to talk about note making, because in our previous video of note making we had excluded GS4. So we would like to discuss here in this video. See, note making, you will be reading a particular standard book for GS4. I had read Lexicon, and this year I actually read Subara. Both books are good. Anyone, one of them you can follow. But then your notes should not be comprising the summary of the chapters that you have read there, because summary is something that you will remember, because these are not very factual things. But there will be certain things that you can extract from chapters, and that is, for example, if there is some as on family that I have extracted here, like tabula rasa. So this can hold the attention of examiner, and you can highlight this word, only the key ideas that are available in this chapter, so that your notes do not become bulky. You have to extract only that. So that way you can extract from the standard book. And notes should be, you can taking cue from this slide, you can understand what kind of notes should be there. There is nothing like context you can build. It is only just key ideas are there. Other than standard book, from other places where you can extract material is, see, Topper's answer script. In what happens in case of GS4, if question is asked on particular topic and you have an answer or content, you can use same content for writing another answer to another question on the same topic, by tweaking certain ideas and concepts and using same content. So what you can do, you can go through the Topper's answer script, read their answers, learn how they write answer. If there are certain ideas which may not be available in your standard book, you can extract that idea. So you can extract content from there. You can learn from the Topper's answer script. Third place where I think from where you can extract keywords, answer examples, names, and all that, from the test series that you may join. Test series coachings provide model answers. So if that particular question comes from particular topic and you have model answer on that, few relevant ideas, example, or whatever you find important, you can go and mention in that your note making diary. So from there you can do. The only thing that is left is now about case studies and the newspaper. In subsequent videos we will discuss about it. But note making would basically will revolve around what we have discussed now. So here already I mentioned about some topics, how you can make concise notes, because you have to write only those points which you want to remember, and other things you can just have in your subconscious mind. While writing answer, it will, if you have read 2-3 times, it will naturally come. But there are certain things which you would not like to forget. Those things should be coming up in your note making. At last, here is a schedule for our next for 2021. In this way we will make video series for different papers. Now for 2020, we as UPSC has announced its date for prelims, which is in October. So I think those even appearing in 2020 can focus for 1 month on GS4. We will try to complete GS4 as early as possible, so that those to appear in 2020 can start completely preparing for prelims. So, but I think currently we have a window wherein we can prepare at least some content for our mains, so that we are asking for. And next topic for our video, in fact the first topic for our video GS4 series, will be emotional intelligence. And we hope that you like this video and you will like our future videos as well. Thanks for